Drawing on the PC can be tough for people with high mobility. Not only does they have to bring their PC or laptop, but creativity sometimes pops up when you are at the middle of busy road or when you are having an escape on holiday. Some people who love drawing most of the time also installed a drawing app on their smartphone, just in case they meet their inspirations on the busy road. On today's video, we have listed some best drawing applications on Android. Ibis Pen X. Ibis Pen X from Ibis Incorporations is highly recommended for those who enjoy Japanese drawing style. The app is promoted as a leading mobile platform for inspiring mangaka, people who draw manga. This drawing app also has various features such as draw as smooth as 60 frames per second, with 2,500 materials including 800 fonts, 379 brushes, 66 filters, 46 screentones, and 27 blending modes. There are no layer restrictions and can be modified. Can record the drawing process, image stroke stabilization feature, and various rulers, from radial to symmetry. Pick. We recommend this Pick app from Pick LLC to people who love drawing in pixel style. The app offers several features such as enlarge or reduce the pixel canvas to add small details or see the entire image, and auto-save. You can also directly share your drawing to your social media account. Adobe Illustrator Draw. Adobe is known for its multimedia and graphics performance. This Adobe Illustrator Draw also offers a variety of features that make the drawing process easy, such as layers that can be modified and combined, file variations on the nib with its customizations feature, and enlarge the image of the canvas up to 64 times to add small details to your work. You can also save your drawing on the Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator on your PC or laptop. Layer Pen HD. This drawing app from Nato.org comes with various features such as image software on PCs and laptops. Layer Pen HD also has other features such as pen pressure support, layer mode with a wide variety of filters. The app can also export or import files from your Adobe Photoshop and support connections of an internal keyboard and vacuum drawing tablet. Medibang Pen. This drawing app from Medibang Incorporations is packed with various features such as more than 100 types of brushes and pens, as well as 850 tones, texture, and word balloons. This app can also import images and adding written dialogue with voice-through speech-to-text feature. One of the Medibang Pen's most well-known services is cross-platform cloud storage support, where you can save your work on an Android gadget and open it on another OS, such as Windows, Mac OS X to iOS. Inspiration. Produced by Installer, Inspiration is absolutely perfect for opening up your creative channels, whether you are already good at it or just starting to draw. Inspiration's product features are a variety of brushes with their effects and drawing tools with a wide variety of colors. Import photos as templates for tracing references and image studies. The symmetry mode. Inspirations is even available in a web version, so you can try it on a PC or laptop. Like the other apps on this list, you can also save your own drawing, so you can open them on PC or laptop. Artflow. This drawing app comes with various features such as canvas with dimensions, 6444 x 6444 creative layers up to 50 with 10 filters, and blend various layers. This drawing app also comes with palm rejection feature to make sure the pressure from your palm, hand, didn't disturb your drawing by waking up unwanted features. You can export your drawing into the app. Export your drawing in the app into JPEG, PNG, or even PSD.